Hello, my beautiful garden peeps. Today, welcome back to Long Sweets. Today we're winter sowing. What do you call it again?
Bachelor buttons.
Bachelor buttons.
So the first thing you're going to do is you want to have some good soil. And you're going to kind of scuff it up because these don't need to be planted very deep. Alright, so a little bit's got it scuffed up. And you can mass plant your seeds, but it's better if you plant them like an inch or two apart. Because
not a good one.
when you're thinning them, you're kind of wasting them. So here's a picture of the Bachelor buttons. These are Blue Boy, and they grow about 2 feet tall.
They have little hairs.
They're drought tolerant. They're a pretty, actually an actual blue color. So my little assistant, my little assistant here is going to just kind of make a little.
Put one right here.
She's just going to toss them in there. Kind of scatter them around a little bit.
Like sprinkle salt. Those ones are too together.
That's okay. Yeah, spread them out a little bit where they're like an inch or two.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
go ahead and get some more in there.
All of them?
Yeah, probably about half. Because that's going to fill this whole area in. My lovely country girl assistant who loves to be outdoors. Alright. So now she's got her seeds. This is going to make a big mass. So she's just going to lightly throw a little bit of the dirt back over the top of it. And this is mid-February, which is a good time to winter sow several seeds. Well, any seed that it will say will spread and reseed, you can winter sow, because that's how they do in nature. The plants from the previous summer and fall will dry up and the seeds will fall, and then they overwinter and then they come on up. Alright, so that's a wrap. I'm excited to see.
Wait, aren't we going to put water in it?
Nope. Well, yeah, we'll water it a little bit, but say goodbye.